Hello and happy Veganuary, day 6. Today I'm making vegan caviar in honor of the Oxfam study showing that today, January 10th, the richest 1% have used up their carbon budget for the year, while the wealthiest 0.1% already blew through theirs 7 days ago. To stay within the agreed global heating limit of no more than 1.5 Celsius above pre-industrial levels set by the Paris Agreement in 2015, the richest 1% of the world's population will have to reduce their emissions by 97% by 2030. That's in 4 years. Oxfam has called on Britain's Chancellor to increase taxes on climate-polluting extreme wealth, saying the wealthiest individuals and corporations hold disproportionate power and influence. The UK's richest 1% produced more carbon pollution in 8 days than the poorest 50% used in a year, and I'm sure it's the same for Canada's 70 billionaires. The super rich also invest in the most polluting industries. One billionaire carries an investment portfolio that produces 1.9 million tons of CO2 a year, roughly equivalent to the annual emissions of 400,000 cars. That's insane. It's time for us to stop feeling eco-guilt if we have to buy a drink in a non-reusable cup. It's time for a wealth tax. If a billionaire has $1 billion, it would take them approximately 20,000 days to spend it, which is about 55 years, spending $50,000 a day. If you make over $1 billion, government could tax any additional wealth at 50%. Billionaires could choose what their money could support: climate action, biodiversity protection, schools, the arts, teachers, healthcare. Instead of trying to get to Mars, they could compete over who is feeding the most starving children. Check the comments for the recipe for vegan caviar. We're really good. Remember, together we can save the world. Cheers.